Angie. Don't.
Connecticut. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Counties in New York, Albany, Columbia, Fulton, Greene, Montgomery, Rensselaer, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Warren, and Washington. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Northern Saratoga County in east central New York, central Washington County in east central New York, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Days Center, or 16 miles southwest of Warrensburg, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glens Falls, Hudson Falls, Warrensburg, Salem, Lake George Village, Fort Edward, Grahamville, Hartford, Comstock, Days Center, West Glens Falls, Lake Luzerne Campground, Glens Falls North, Queensbury, Kingsbury, Porter, South Glens Falls, Lake Luzerne, Hadley, and Lake George. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Saratoga, Warren, and Washington. The National Locations impacted include Albany, Schenectady, Troy, Clifton Park, Rotterdam, East Greenbush, Cohoes, Watervliet, Rensselaer, Colony, Scotia, Cobleskill, Nassau, Delmer, Latham, Guilderland, Niskayuna, Dwaynesburg, Namans, and Westerlo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Albany, Rensselaer, Saratoga, Schenectady, and Schoharie. The severe thunderstorm.
No offense.
Well, you also don't have any money. So that's step one. He's recording. Stay tuned right there.
All these things?
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northern Columbia County and east central New York, southern Albany County and east central New York, northeastern Greene County and east central New York, southeastern Schoharie County and east central New York, Rensselaer County and east central New York, southwestern Bennington County in southern Vermont, south central Wyndham County in southern Vermont, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Huosic Falls to Averill Park to near Southwick to Breakabeen, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pittsfield, East Greenbush, North Adams, Rensselaer, Hudson, Huosic Falls, Chatham, Nassau, Delmer, Adams, Williamstown, Lee, Lenox, Pownell, New Baltimore, Westerlo, Covina, Cheshire, Stephentown, and Coxsackie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Albany, Columbia, Greene, Rensselaer and Schoharie, and Berkshire, Massachusetts, and the following counties in Vermont, Bennington and Windham. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hillsborough to Harrisville to Winchester, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size. In southern New Hampshire until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hillsborough to Harrisville to Winchester, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ant Trail, Marlboro, Ridge, New Boston, Dublin, Hayrock, New Ipswich, Sharon, Jafford, Deering, Mount Vernon, Hillsborough, Lynnborough, Mount Vernon, Bennington, Swansea, Nelson, Milford, Greenville, and Roxbury. This also includes Mount Monadnock and North Pack Monadnock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire, Cheshire, and Hillsborough.
Still had state law to take a closer look at the CPET wagering and improvement.
Interstate 93 between mile marker 0 and 30. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, and Stratford.
Yeah, something should have gone off for Massachusetts.
And started logging it. Second round. Second round heading towards Berkshires.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ulster County in east central New York, southwestern Greene County in east central New York, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Margaretville to near Pleasant Mound, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingston, New Paltz, Allenville, Saugerties, Waukegan, Cottingville, Greeley, Woodstock, Modena, High Falls, Cohawkson, Towson, West Hurley, Natividad, Saugerties South, Portland, Woodland Valley Campground, West Shotton, Kenneth L. Wilson Campground, and Lake Katrine. For your protection and welfare, interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Greene, and Ulster.
Nice.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe
There's gonna be a couple of them.
10 miles an hour.
Oh, at the same time. Look at that. Yeah, I got them all.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Litchfield County, southern Berkshire County in western
Massachusetts.
northeastern Dutchess County in
Haven't even gotten to go through my videos yet.
central New York until 8:45 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Livingston, or 9 miles southeast of Hudson, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Torrington, Great Barrington, Hudson, New Hartford, Clayback, Livingston, Copiague, Sheffield, Claremont, Norfolk, Ancram, Kings, Milton, Sandusfield, Northwest Hillwinton, New Hartford Center, Ashley Falls, Falls Village, Clayback Red Mills, and Winston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the forecast for Falls Village, Clayback Red Mills, and Winston.
Forgot that's Boston. Channel 6 and 3.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar
Yeah, it's
indicated.
going off.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Merrimack County is canceled.
Oh.
The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area.
Oh.
Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m.
Channel
Make
6.
up for it this time.
Channel 6.
What's happening?
Oh, I got something going here.
Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Oh, I
Time.
forgot to sell Channel 1.
At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Concord to near Hardwick to near Chicopee, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Becoming east to northeast. Locations impacted include Worcester, Springfield, Framingham, Chicopee, Livingston, Pittsburgh, Holyoke, Marlboro, Shrewsbury, West Springfield.
Then I believe the extra 41. Yeah.
Clear in 59. In Hyannis, clear in 53.
That was a wide variety of stations there. Nice. Alright, maybe Channel 6 was going off, I have no idea. I'll count it. B-O-X Box S-M-W. Probably. Did you fly Center 4? Yeah. This is Center 4.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of heavy showers and gusty northwest winds was located along the line extending from 6 nautical miles northeast of plus 19
Plug my phone. Oh, I want to cancel. Nice. Oh, that was different. You know what I say, when it comes to streams, work with what you got.
System on station WXJ42 from Meriden, Connecticut. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut, and for Nassau and Suffolk counties on Long Island, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. Test. And now the hourly information. Has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Boston Harbor. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. The following is...
Hi, Albany.
I already have Instagram installed.
Greene County. Oh, you are a very lanky son of a gun. It's a tornado chance tomorrow. Ugh.
Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Hamilton County in eastern New York, northwestern Warren County in east central New York until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Moffett Beach Campground or near Speculator, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Speculator, Johnsburg, Lake Pleasant, North Creek, Moffett Beach Campground, Garnet Lake, Gerard's Sugarbush, Sodom, Perkins Clearing, Edwards Hill, Weathertown, Holcomville, Sled Harbor, Bakers Mills, Griffin, and Wellhurst. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Hamilton, and Warren. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe...
What are you doing? I'm gonna go no for you. What the heck happened here?
A severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Portland, moving at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Where the frick did you come from?
Rumford, Dixfield, Angola, Arrow, Grafton, Mexico.
Oh, there it is. Mexico!
Byron, Ross Bay, Milan, Upton, Stark, Erie, Peru, and Riley. This also includes Upton Lake State Park, Kilkenny Ridge Trail, Notch, and Pontoon Reservoir with a temperature of decibel. Once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Maine, Franklin and Oxford, and Fort West, New Hampshire.
Nice.
This is New Weather Radio Station WXJ 40.
Wow, you gave me the bird there, buddy. 12382. Took me a second to process it. The say there.
Freiburg clear 55. Cloudy 46. Augusta cloudy 49. Bangor was cloudy at 45. And in Caribou light rain 48. In New Hampshire, reported light rain, the temperature was 47. And the temperature was 0 degrees.
Oh my god, that's funny. Alright, well, that came out of nowhere. Thank you for that one, Gray. BTV, BTV! They issued an SVR right after that.
Reese's Oreos with Reese's peanut butter cookies now, Jess.
Nice. Ah, you suck.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Orange County and central Vermont, south central Caledonia County and northeastern Vermont, east central Adams County and central Vermont, southern Washington County and central Vermont.
I didn't expect this to become the whole thing.
With partly cloudy and impact, minor hail damage to vehicles. Source, radar with 56 mile. New Hampshire, Portsmouth reported
Nice.
reported at 45.
Nice. This might be a wacky night of SVRs.
Hey.
Yes. BTV. Go. That's gonna go off, yep. You go off this time and not you.
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orange County and central Vermont.
Oh, orange.
Central Caledonia County and northeastern Vermont.
Blah.
My allergies are starting to kick my butt.
And animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail.
Holy crap.
Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
Yeah, it's considerable.
This includes Interstate 91 between mile markers 97 and 116.
Nice.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close to being struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Vermont, Caledonia, and Orange. Here is the
God dang it, Gray, I knew it. And you still don't go off 12 through 82? Nice.
Central Grafton County in northern New Hampshire until 10:15 p.m. At 9:30
I called it.
a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Heather Hill, or 27 miles southwest of Littleton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail.
Not ping pong ball. I almost thought it was golf ball earlier. Actually, no, I'm pretty sure it was. Yep, there goes Wevo.
Impacted include Bethlehem, Piermont, Lisbon, Bath, Benton, Easton, Ellsworth, Orange, Sugar Hill, Portsmouth, Lyman, and Monroe. This includes Interstate 93 between mile markers 93 and 117. This
far
also
from here.
includes Franklin and Notch, Mount Rusillar, Canyon Mountain, and Green and Lake Hut, and Anslopes and Lake Hut. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties: Grafton, New Hampshire. The severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Vermont County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties: Grafton, New Hampshire. The 9 p.m. weather observations across New England. Important fog, 43.
Hey, I do have an unread message. Glad more of these went off that time. My 12382 is still flipping me though.